Hi loves, welcome to my channel. It's Meeks here. I hope that you're having a good day. Happy Sunday. Has it been snowing where you are? Everyone in London has been saying it's snowing. I've not seen any snow yet. I wouldn't mind just a bit of snow on a Sunday actually. It's all cozy, I feel. I see blue skies and sun, which to be honest is a better option, so I'm not complaining. But yes, happy Sunday, whatever it is that you're doing today. Ooh, I got my Glossybox for this month. It's a bit of a unique design. I like the whole retro cassette look. I'm not sure what theme that's going for, but I'm kind of getting like 90s, 80s, so yeah, that's unique. If you're not familiar with Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box where you get 5 mystery products per month, ranging from hair care, skincare, beauty. It's a really nice monthly treat. As I mentioned, it is a subscription box, so to receive one of these beauties per month, you do need to subscribe. There are 2 options in which to do so. If you wanted to be on a 1-month rolling subscription and not tie yourself in for 12 months, then the box will cost you $13.75 per month. Or if you did want to be a long-time subscriber, they do have a 12-month subscription where you get £2 knocked off every month just as a thank you for subscribing long-term, and you will get the box for $11.75 per month on the 12-month subscription plan. I do also have a discount code which I will link in the description box below to get you some more coins off your box. I'm sure everyone loves a good discount, so feel free to check that out. But without further ado, let us delve in and see what's inside this month. As I said, really intrigued because judging by this, it's pretty, but I've no idea what the theme is. So it says sing, dance, love and repeat. And we have the leaflet that also says sing, dance, love and repeat. Do you think it's something to do with, you know, an old school thing to do is, as Valentine's Day is this month, the month of love, people used to make personalized mixtapes for people, you know, with songs that they associated with them. It was kind of like a romantic thing back in the 90s. Maybe it's going towards that way. I'm not sure, but I like it. So it says, hi Glossies, February is the month of love, and at Glossy HQ, one of our biggest loves is music. You'll frequently catch us humming a tune, which is why our mantra for the month is sing, dance, love, repeat. Okay, so it's to do with music, makes sense. Whatever you love, we've got a box here that you're sure to adore. There is something special you don't have to wait until Valentine's for. Loving the rhyme, Glossybox, loving that. Also at the back of the leaflet every month you get next month's sneak peek product, and it says March's sneak peek is a mascara. It says as spring arrives and flowers begin to bloom, March is the start of the prettiest season. My birthday's in the spring, so I agree. So it seems only fitting that we continue the theme of all things pretty by bringing you Beautinique Beauty's Nourishing Mascara in your box next month. It says it's worth $15.50, and not only is the product adorably cute, it's also highly effective at thickening and lengthening your lashes. I haven't received a mascara in a beauty box for a while. That's it there. I personally never used that brand, never heard of that brand, so Beautinique, be interesting to see what that mascara is like. But yeah, but that's next month's product. Let's get in and see what's in this month. Opening it up, see, I haven't even opened up the sticker. It's all retro paper, got like cassettes and headphones and a tissue paper, which is cute. I see lots of pink, lots of pink. So the first product, it is the sneak peek from last month, and it is the Avant Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, and it says fortified with incredible ingredients such as rose, peony and sweet almond. This scrub will leave you with super soft kissable lips just in time for Valentine's. Key ingredient rose works to buff away dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. This product's light reflecting properties also illuminate the lips, allowing them to glow, and its RRP is £58. Avon is quite an expensive product, but I do love a bit of Avon. Love receiving them in my beauty boxes. I always get a luxurious feel whenever I'm using one of their products. I didn't even know they done a lip scrub, and if it does what it says on the tin, I'm all for it. Who doesn't want illuminated lips, youthful lips? Especially because, you know, we're still in the cold weather. People's lips can get dry and chapped, so a good lip scrub, that's a thumbs up from me. It says age protect and UV. So if it protects against UV, that is also brilliant. Quite pleased to receive that. I will definitely be trying this out because Valentine's Day is coming up and I do want super smooth lips. And it's a full-size product as well, so really pleased with that. Proper chuffed. The next product is the Nudestix full-size gel colour lip and cheek balm, and of course it's red to suit the Valentine's theme. Rich in colour and glossy in shine, this multi-purpose beauty product works as both a gorgeous tinted lip balm and as a natural cream blush. Every pencil is made with skin protecting plant oils and is infused with vitamin E for extra hydration. Simply draw directly onto your lips or cheeks and then blend to create a look that is fresh and dewy. This sounds interesting. I'm going to swatch this actually. Oh, I can even see it does look like it's hydrating, even from just taking out like that. I know it sounds weird, but it doesn't seem like it's a dry crayon. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. If I wasn't wearing this, because I put this directly on my lips, look how lustrous that is. No, I love that, and I love the colour as well. It's a nice bright red lip. I'm going to wear this on Valentine's Day. I kid you not. I'm going to wear this on Valentine's Day. I'm so impressed with that. Not sure about it going on my cheeks. It's a bit bright for my cheeks, but as a red lip balm or lip gloss, however, because it's really glossy, I love that. Oh, can you see the tint on? No, I love that. Love that. I'm not the biggest fan of mattes. I find that matte lip glosses, lipsticks, they can be quite dry, and so I love a bit of shimmer and a bit of gloss. I love that. And its RRP is £20. No, that is Lush. That is Lush. Loving that. Our next product is from Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and again, it's full size. 3 full-size products, Glossybox. Impressed, and it's valued at £4.99, and this is the Peach Bellini hand cream, and it says packed with the fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, along with added aloe vera extract and ultra moisturizing shea butter. This product is a real treat for your hands. Sweet and uplifting, this hand cream is guaranteed to nourish and soothe hands that have dried out from the cold. Especially as we're constantly washing our hands as well, even if we are inside and we might not be going out into the cold as much, the constant washing the hands, I'm always reaching for a hand cream. And you know what? I absolutely love the bubble tea cream brands. I know I sound a bit repetitive, like, oh, I absolutely love this, but I actually got a bubble tea body butter in another beauty box this month, and I was shocked at how much I enjoyed that. It smelled divine. Let me give this one a smell. Oh, bubble tea don't play. With their flavours, they do not play. This smells strong like peach, but not overpowering. It smells good. No, that is beautiful. That smells so good. I'll tell you what, I might give that to somebody as a giveaway because I do have quite a lot of hand creams and I do have the other bubble tea. But I will just take this little bit here. It's even worth taking this little bit just to swatch. So yeah, that's really light. Really light. I like light hand creams. I don't like the hand creams that are too thick. The smell is divine. Absolutely divine. So I'm going to close this back now. I'm not going to squeeze out any, just in case I decide to give this away to somebody or put it in a giveaway. But really nice cream. Love that smell. The next product, and it's another full size. Glossybox, I've done well this month. And this is the Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask. And it says, are your lips feeling dry and cracked from cold weather? Steve Laurent's Total Repair Lip Mask will bring out a burst of hydration to your lips whenever they're in need of a little extra love. Instantly soothing and revitalizing lips, this mask also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and leave them looking and feeling soft and smooth. And the RRP for this is £5. This sounds interesting. I've never used a lip mask before. Goes with the theme and also with the lip scrub. So yeah, is it just the one mask? I think it's just the one mask. Yep, single use only. Never tried one of these. This is interesting. Yeah, I'm going to give this a try and see how I feel. It does sound good. So hopefully I like my lip mask. But yeah, I'm happy with that as well. And then finally, guys, we got our Geisha. This is the Rose Geisha. I don't know if you saw my video from last month, but this was meant to be in last month's box, but I think Glossybox said that there was a distribution problem. So they did say that we would get it in another box, and they've totally come through. And to be honest, it goes better with this theme as well, because everything is pink or red. So yes, this is the Rose Geisha, full size again, and it says this facial massage tool helps contour your face and neck to enhance your features. However, it can also be used to relieve tight muscles. Use this Geisha over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to flush lymphatic drainage and increase blood flow and circulation. As a result, you'll be left with radiant, vibrant and youthful skin, and this is valued at £10. I've wanted a Geisha for a long time. I'm very into right now the massaging of the face. I do have a jade roller that I use at night, but I did want a Geisha to use in the mornings. So happy I finally got one. Finally. Is it real rose quartz? It doesn't say, but they usually are. So it's this big, and I guess you just kind of rub it like this. I'm not going to do it now because I've got foundation on, but I think you just kind of rub it like this. Helps get the lymph flowing in your face to remove toxins, and oh no, it's just going to be lush. Absolutely lush. So that was our last product, and I'm over the moon with that. I'm really impressed with Glossybox this month. Everything is full size. Everything I will use. The Geisha, absolutely. Back to our first product, the Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Perfectly happy with that, and I love Avon's as well. Bubble Tea Cream. I may not keep this just because I have already another cream from this brand, and I have a few hand creams. Then again, I might keep it because it smells good, but happy with that. And then we have our lip mask. Very intrigued by this. I've never used one before, as I said, so this will definitely be getting tried and tested by moi. And then lastly, this Bloomin' Lush Red Cheek Lip Pencil that I wasn't expecting it to be as dewy and glossy as it was, but it does what it says on the tin. It is fresh and dewy, and this is my Valentine red lip. I was going to pick up my MAC, but I'm reaching for this because this is just wonderful. So impressed by it. So yeah, top marks for me from this month from Glossybox. I'm really happy with that. Really pleased with this box and very impressed. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. Were you impressed? Were you a bit underwhelmed? Let me know in the comments what you thought. But yes, if you liked this video, guys, please smash that like button for me. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. And I cannot wait to see you again for my next one. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.